What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We are back at Orlando Speed World. It's Thursday. We're back to Take It to the Track, brought to you by, if you see them over there, Oceola County Sheriff's Office. And we're here today because Luis said he was going to come with some of the BMWs and run. So he's going to run the BMW M3, but our friend with the C7 Grand Sport, that is no more, he showed up. And yep, TTRS C7 Grand Sport is gone. Now he has the car of the week, like Marty says. It's a TTRS. So we're gonna track the Audi TTRS, see how it does, and watch some of the Beamer runs and just enjoy the night and watch some races. So yeah, let's jump right into it. Got Rob and TTRS first pass. How you guys doing?
He's gonna squeal a wheel.
Oh yeah, it's sticky. It's sticky. Alright, so first run for Rob, he ran, you can see here, a 12:01. So he's knocking right there in that 11:09. It's super hot today. It's getting a little better, but they're doing rolls now. But 12.0 at 114, 1/860 foot. He's trying to figure out how to get the tire pressure to see if we bring it down a little bit. I mean, the car's not spinning, but we're not getting it down. He just wants to see where the tires are at, you know, just to know. But 12.0 at 114, let's see what it does. And also, Luis. Woo. Luis is here with the M3. He's got the Beamers here. So Rob's gonna go for his time. They're gonna race together, and then we'll see how that goes. What'd you run?
11.996 at 115. I definitely got more.
Let me see.
You want to just blow my doors off? That's what it is? I love you,
11.9 at 115. Woo! Rob's happy. You got 11-second car. We're not selling it. We're not selling it. Track hawk. Oh, I solo, Rob.
Looks like a little Audi.
I was going with the Hellcat.
In the American Motorsports League, going to take on the Demon Tower side with the custom paint job.
Dang, Rob. You got this, Rob. You got this. You can do it.
Tesla.
Sure that's a Demon?
BMW. stripe for.
There you go, Luis. He had stage on both lights, but the other car hadn't stage, not even in one, and he backed up and he went back to one light.
I would say the Corvette, but I don't think you can drive, so I'm gonna go get that. Watch real
Go for
1249 and a.
All right, so Rob ran a 12.1 now, so he's got a 12.0, 11.9, and a 12.1. He wants to run another 11, you know, to make it legit. But the car's waited for a while because something was wrong with the sensing. So he got in line again, and then of course we're at the track. I'm gonna sighten the car up. It's only 20 bucks, and I did it. I wasn't gonna run, but then Luis is here with the BMW, and right now we're 1-1. He beat me off the dig. The first time he came to the track, I beat him on a roll. And now we're gonna go on the dig and see what happens. And if I beat him or he beats me and he wants to do the roll, maybe we'll do that. If not, I'll just park it and keep recording and see what happens. All right, I'm racing Luis for the tiebreaker. We're 1-1, so we're doing a dig. We'll see how that goes. Thanks, appreciate it.
I need more tickets!
12.5 at 113. I spun like crazy. And I red lit by a lot. 0.1. God damn, that was horrible. Well, Rob got his second 11.9, so it's official. The TTRS runs 11.9s, 11.9s. And I just raced in the Camaro, the M3. But I red lit. Two things, it's street night, so everybody goes through the water. So I spun like crazy. And usually on the setup that I always run, and I spun like crazy, so I'm not even gonna try. I ran a 12.5, I red lit. I still beat him. He would have catch me, but it would have been nice if I wouldn't red lit. But now we got Willie. We'll see this car in the channel soon. Modified M3. He's gonna run the M4 that's over there too, modified. They're both gonna roll, so we're gonna record that, and that'll end the night there. But yeah, brought the TTRS, ran 11.9 twice, so it's official. And let's catch that roll race and end the night there. We got modded M3 versus modded M4. Joshua be sleeping.
Yeah, he was sleeping right here.
I just want to hear the bit.
Really closing in 10 minutes with a close up check in 10 minutes. Close the state lane to 10:30. Lane goes back in to get that fast time again.
All right, so in that last race, I told Luis to honk it 3 times and then go off on the roll. We're gonna find out why he do that. That would have been cool though, you know, the roll racing. It would have been cool if they honked it. Nobody's done it. Some people have turned the flashes towards the end, which is usually what you do sometimes in the street. But nobody's honked it yet, so we'll find out. But it's a good night again. Everybody ran, everybody's good. We're about to head home. Rob ran 11s twice, so it's verified. Stock TTRS. So now on to mods and
The 90-degree heat.
woo, yeah, 90. It's hot. So yeah, we're gonna meet the guys now and say goodbye, get our stuff, and yeah. If you enjoyed the video, you know what to do. Thumbs up. Subscribe to find out what's coming on. Let us know in the comments what you think about the cars I ran today, and see you guys next time. Peace.
Peace.